Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing Talavera tile prints. Glue down your chipboard piece to the back of one foam sheet and then set aside. Using a scrap piece of paper, draw out a design for your tile. Talavera tiles are usually symmetrical and made up of floral or geometric designs. Once you finish, draw a box around your design. Then draw 2 lines down the middle, one horizontal and one vertical. Using the template ruler, mark up the foam with a pencil lightly. Once you've finished marking, use the reference you made to draw 1/4 of your design on the foam piece. Try to make sure your design is even on both sides by using the marks as a guide. To make your design more decorative, use more pressure when drawing on certain parts of the foam. This will create an indent that will leave an unpainted area when you're stamping. Cut out the shapes you've drawn. Glue these pieces down to your foam sheet and allow 1 to 2 minutes to dry. Begin to paint over the foam pieces that you've just glued down. Once the foam has been fully painted, place your stamp on the watercolor paper, press the back of the stamp, and then remove. And repeat these steps to complete your tile print.